intense. But what I noticed that time is that I'm here, and then this starts to go, give it sometimes cramp. So when that happens, you turn in. Find the stretch, right? So you have to find the lateral or outside lines of force, right, to balance out the inside line of force. Muy importante. And sometimes it's easier to do this part first, but you play. Mm-hmm. Also, go to one place, and then bend. And then you come to above the knees again. Use your core open, and then you're more ready to drop, right? Feels better. Yes. So you want this line. So you look at the other person's line. And look at your, yeah. Okay. Then, let me take your shirt. Okay. Now, when you come up, don't use your arms. Use your legs.
Yeah.
So take your arms away. And then lift. Okay, yeah. Okay, enough. Some of that. So really, when you do this, you keep your arms there, but you have to learn to use your legs. And you won't do it unless you take your arms away, right? That pressing your feet down is key to your yoga practice. Learning that, really key in everything, because you how do you say? You create a strong line of force with earth, and you'll learn, like, if you fall, if your back gets stuck, then you always have your feet and legs to move you gently. We have to connect with that. Okay, so good. And parallel. And you can also wiggle. Okay. Now, I want to show you how to get out of that in a different way then. Okay? So, you're here. Turn your feet parallel. Okay? Then, boom. More fun. Okay? So you leverage. Yeah, more bend. So you have more stronger line of force. Now, wait, no. Straighten. First you straighten, then one leg. Otherwise you won't get the force.
Yeah.
Big difference. Yeah. Step by step. So you always, in each step, find your place of power, where the lines of force are. Find the line of force, and then you find the power. So you have to take that moment to pause. That's the pause. Where am I strong? And then where do I need to anchor? And then I can relax. And wiggle into it. And then once all those lines of force are strong and in place and relaxed, I can soften. Which is why in the Tao we say strong yet soft. In power, yet relaxed. Breathing in, breathing in. So what does your body want now? How do you feel like moving? Let me see. And when you're not sure, yeah, you can start to wiggle and you can start to go through the lines of force. They're up and down. They're sideways. They're twisting. Yeah. What is that supposed to be? The standing twist. I don't know.